Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Getue Wi-Fi Extender setup using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Insert the extender into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Keep the extender within 5 to 10 feet of the router during setup. Do not place it far away during the initial configuration. After plugging it in, the power LED light will turn on. The device will start booting. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds until the extender finishes starting up. When the light becomes stable, the extender is ready for connection. Next, locate the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. The WPS button is usually on the back or side of the router, labeled WPS, or sometimes marked with a 2 circular arrows icon. Press the WPS button on your router once. After pressing it, the WPS LED on the router will start blinking. This indicates that the router is searching for devices to connect. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Getue Wi-Fi Extender. After pressing the button, the WPS or Wi-Fi LED on the extender will start blinking. The extender begins searching for the router. Now the extender and router will start exchanging connection information. The connection process usually takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. During this time, the extender will detect your router, copy the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, copy the Wi-Fi password, or establish a secure connection. Once the connection is successful, the WPS light will stop blinking. The signal LED becomes solid or stable. This means the extender has successfully connected to the router. Once the connection is completed, unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Look for the extender's Wi-Fi network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Tap Connect. Setup complete. The extender will connect to the router and restart automatically. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.